On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram follower stuck easy and fast. So there is three ways to fix it. The first way is just you need to open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to Instagram app informations on your phone. Now click here on the first stop and then go to the notifications management and disable the notifications like this and enable it again. And now go to the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, and then go to the data usage and scroll down, make sure to enable all those network access options, especially the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. And the last thing is click on storage and click on clear data. Now that's the first way. The second way is just you have to restart your phone. And yeah, the third way, it's a bonus for me, is just you have to go to Play Store and search for Instagram, and if you found this update option, just click on it and it will start updating Instagram. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.